model which estimates what's next in the next seconds. Only 2 seconds today. So maybe at a certain point, because we know how to build text to images, yeah, we at some point have a storyboard, and you're just a machine doing a little video. Welcome. So we're just having started to work with video in the same way, creating videos out of the tool, adding more seconds of video material. This one is something interesting for me as well here. Imagine you have photos of furniture, chairs, tables, and this model creates 3D models out of it, out of 2D pictures. So you can create a complete furniture scene just by a friend who showed you a photo of something which looks interesting. You put it into the machine, you get a 3D model, bring it to someone who can build it, and let's do it. The music. No, right, the music. The music. Yeah, that's how it looks like. You can even move it. Yeah, it becomes 3D. I haven't started with images before. I saw the first example I saw with music. I got to know a French company which was experimenting with music, MIDI format. The goal was to have, can you build something like a dashboard where you can actually configure music based on data which is available, so music styles, mood, getting mood into it. It's more like to feel the tension of the scene, or it's more like it's angriness. So what we did was we built a huge database of music and tried to train the machine to learn different componist styles. Who owns the copyright here? So can we imagine to build a music part, music piece, like Andrew Lloyd Webber did, just by having a machine doing that, because the machine knows the tone, strength, characteristics of the music. What does it mean to be an Andrew Lloyd Webber music composition? Yeah, it's possible. So in short, yeah, we have tested it, we've done it. You can actually order it. Yeah, so Hollywood is ordering music which has to fit into the scene, just based on, that's the scene, that's a helicopter, that's it's a Mission Impossible 6, yeah, and it needs to be loud, and so it's possible, you can order it. So last but not least, actually 2 slides. This one is just to show you that we're not talking about images and video alone. I said we have training data, which is interesting. This is using the GAN in imaging in medical context, in creating new products, for example. So there's a company which tries to figure out using similar structures of a medical molecular structure. Not the same, similar, that's GAN. Yeah? It's simulating something which might have the characteristics of an original drug, but it's not the same. And creating that, or enzymes or something like that, based on the technology. So you don't have a chemical expert anymore. You have a machine trying to figure out how to do that. And again, the training data, in case you're missing training data, you're missing large amounts of fraud data, which created with GANs. So that was my short journey into the GANs today. Because I just wanted to give you an idea of what the business impact might be. There's a huge business behind it, of course, if you look at what kind of things are possible, and we're still at the very beginning of it. I think we will have a closer look and go into more details in upcoming meetups. It's just like a rough overview. And I'd like to hand over to Dejan for the next part.
Question: do you know this everybody can dance video?
No?
No? I posted it on the meetup page where you can open it right now. It's really cool. it makes a motion transfer between
Motion transfer, okay.
of videos. So if you, this is pretty funny.
Where do you post it?
Yeah, on our, well, on this, on the event page, I guess you're on the wrong one.
Is it on YouTube?
Yes, this is on YouTube.
Can you find it typing in
Yeah,
just?
sure. Make everybody can dance GAN or something. You should.
Everybody can dance GAN.
Yeah. Try that. It is. Yeah, exactly that one. That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe skip to minute 2 and 15 or something. 2:15.
Is it 15 minutes?
No, it's just go. They show lots of examples. So it's transferring, like from the source video, it detects the pose and transfers it to the target subject.
Well, that's interesting, yeah.
That's written. And quality could be improved a little bit, but
You can make me dance without dancing. You can only activity of dancing. So,
I guess like minute 2 and 2:16 is really funny. I think it is. This is
okay, that's awesome. Fantastic.
So
Thanks.
produce your own music videos at home then.
And looks professional. Yeah, that's cool. So Christmas is coming. So thanks again. Good job. Would you like to take over?
Maybe I can say as well until I set up that